Hey, it's Emily from WTI. If you know me, you know I'm pretty obsessed with houseplants, and I'm obsessed with everything that makes them really cute. And that's why I love this 2-pack of planters from the Coleum store. You know what's better than finding one really cute planter with a cute holder? A 2-pack. And this set comes in a 2-pack, so it is double the cuteness. But to make it even better, these are really practical planters for a few reasons. One is that they come with 2 kinds of holders. So if you want to take these nice 2-toned pots to the next level and decorate them in a couple of different ways, you can do that. The first is this adorable boho macrame holders. As you can tell in my bathroom, I have quite a few macrame plant holders because I love them. So when I'm using these upstairs, this fits perfect with my decor. But they also come with nice, simple, more modern black chain holders. So that's great for outdoor use. It's great for a decor that's a little bit more modern or streamlined. So when I'm using these downstairs or outside, that's what I like to use. They're also self-watering. So they have a really nice reservoir in the bottom that you can add water and it will water from the bottom up. So it's great if you're traveling or going out of town. You're not gonna come home to dead houseplants. They're a really nice, generous 10-inch size, and I like that because it's easy to find small plant holders, small pots that are really cute. It's a little bit harder to find aesthetically pleasing and practical larger plant holders, especially with hanging configurations. So this was exactly what I was looking for. I'm super happy with them. I think you will be too, but that's my point of view.